Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. Digital nomads have been a topic of, well, it's just been a hot topic here in the past couple of weeks. I've noticed there's been a lot of talk about attracting digital nomads and things of this nature. And the reason I wanted to go ahead and make this video is I've done some videos here recently for younger expats, folks that are looking to be expats in Thailand. And I think that some of this would apply to quote-unquote digital nomads. And I say this because even though you may be a little older, we'd certainly see folks that are in their 50s and could otherwise maybe get a retirement visa. You know, they may actually be working. They may be operating in their capacity as a digital nomad, quote-unquote, working in Thailand. Even though they may be working for a company outside of Thailand, it doesn't really have anything to do with Thailand. You need to understand that, yeah, there are rules regarding foreign nationals working in Thailand, and there are restrictions associated with it. You may need to get work authorized in order to work here. That's not the thrust of this video, though. The thrust of this video is try to ascertain exactly what your posture is when you're coming to Thailand, and also try to understand the system, especially if you're a younger person, you think you may ultimately want to live in Thailand. Understand what's necessary, which it may be a more complex process of setting yourself up here in Thailand in order to, down the road, obtain things like permanent residence, possibly even citizenship, or to set yourself up in such a way that you can basically maintain long-term work authorized status here in Thailand with minimal hassles. Now, we've discussed on this channel, there have been proposals which have been approved in principle for certain, digital nomad visas. We have yet to see those come down the pike, and quite frankly, I suspect that it will only be particularly useful to a relatively narrow subset of individuals. I highly doubt we're going to see a situation where there's going to be sort of a broad-based digital nomad visa that's going to be kind of a one-size-fits-all. Quite the contrary. I think in most cases, as a practical matter, most digital nomads are going to have different types of visas depending on their circumstances. And for this reason, it may be a good idea to do some research before even coming to Thailand, and perhaps even contacting a legal professional to gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed before even arriving in the Kingdom of Thailand.